Hey everyone, I'm Daniel Bayer. I'm a Verisium Debug product engineer, and today we are going to talk about the Python API in Verisium Debug. So, Python is an incredibly powerful language that comes with all sorts of libraries to provide you an out-of-the-box batteries included experience. We also see that Python is a very popular language, and there's many engineers, experts, and beginners alike that know Python. Due to its popularity, we chose to make sure we'll give you the power of Python to automate your debug process with Verisium Debug. So, what can the Python API do for you? So, the Python API allows you with all sorts of queries, with all sorts of data accesses, and even writing signal values into databases, including VWDB. With the Python API, you get the power to define what unique and what innovative flow you want to implement. For example, you can create interactive little apps that allow you to simply interact with the Verisium Debug GUI and store information, massage the information, and display the information the way that you need it to. As examples, we have like hierarchy bookmark viewers. You can also look at transactions on the waveforms, and you can make sure that information that you already have in your Python script is then made available for post-process. There's folks out there that need it for specific data analysis, for artificial intelligence and machine learning. And this is where Python really excels. You can use the Python API to either kick off the analysis process from the Python script itself. That's what we call our batch mode processing. But you can also use the Python API in a way to include that in your GUI-based debug process. In other words, if you do have an issue, you want to analyze that further, you have your own little app that you load at any time inside the Verisium Debug GUI and have the power of Python with GUI interaction at the tips of your fingers. So, based on that and the feedback that we've been seeing from users using the Python API, this is the next step in verification automation. I hope you found this video informative, and for more information, please visit cadence.com.